we on top, everybody drop.
Hello guys, this is Aditya Tripathi from Team Youth. We are doing a documentary on youth, we are the hope. So you all know if we need a strong building, we must have a strong base. Youths are the base of any country. So let's see what are the youth doing nowadays.
Wait. Firstly, I would like to inform you that we are going to have a best journey with our youth, with some positive sides and some negative sides. Let's have a look on that.
मैंने कहा कि पहली कस्टमर
Guys, check it out, group. I sent something.
I think we should support this. Justice for men. Let's do this.
Our life also matter. Men lives matter.
Yes.
और पहली कस्टमर केयर का काम करती थी। मुझे झूठ बताया था नौकरी के पहले और शादी के पहले कि क्या काम करती थी। मुझे ऐसा दिखाया था कि ये रोल करने वाला
Support this.
तो मैंने
Hello, Harsh. Actually, we are organizing a protest for the men's issue. Could you please join us? Yes, Atulvan.
Actually, bro, I'm busy right now.
Can you please come as very important?
Leave it, bro. There are too many people.
Come on, bro. You have put a story for it.
Actually,
I'm with you guys. I'm supporting this. But currently I'm busy. You can call Mayank and.
If you are supporting this, you have to come.
leave it, bro. Who cares?
All right, then don't put a story next time.
Hello, man. Man, we are actually organizing a protest for the men's right issue. You have to join us.
Today? Sorry bro, I can't make it.
Come on, bro. You have put a story for it. You have to join.
So, sorry bro, I was busy in some stuff.
Bro, you have to be man of your words. Come on, join us. It's very important.
Leave it bro, I can't make it today.
Then next time, don't put a story.
As we have seen, many of the youths are just keyboard warriors, hero in online mode but zero in offline support. We have another examples too.
Few of them do things or just pretend to do, just for showing off and posting on social media.
Bro, each tree we plant today make a difference tomorrow. So let's plant 100 trees by the end of the day.
Okay, for that, I have brought my friend to help. Together we can reach the goal.
Yes, why not? Let's take some pictures to upload on social media. This will help us inspire others.
Are we inspired or just showing off? Is this where our youth going?
Let's take a glance of the positive side of the youth. How youth only supports each other emotionally.
I don't understand this topic. I feel like I'm slowing everyone down.
Don't worry. We all have been there. Let me try to explain it in a different way.
Thank you.
Yeah, take your time. We are all in this together.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Youth, the driving force of 21st century, the backbone of the country. And if we talk about a country like India, 29% of population are between age 15 to 29, which is highest in the world. And we are also the fastest growing economy of the world. I don't think it's a coincidence because we can understand the importance of youth by the example of Japan, as it reconstructed their nation after World War II and made Japan world third largest economy in just 3 decades. But I think our youth is wasting our potential by indulging in not so good activities like smoking, online gambling, and uncontrolled smoking.
Empowered youth!
Hey, what's going on?
Who cares?
Just don't care about what's happening here. He's just joining them.
Guys, he's laughing. Let's see what he is laughing about. Hey, why are you laughing? Here's some serious condition. They are doing really on youth and you are laughing on them. Why?
Listen, bro. I'm not laughing at their condition or accidents. I'm laughing on their childish behavior. like they are doing protests right now, but just wait for a few days or months. They all gonna forget about it. What happened? What about the justice? No one cares, bro. They all gonna forget. They will be on their schedules.
Actually, he is right. They will just stay motivated for a few days, just do parade, do rally for a few days, and then they will forget about what youth is going through. And let's ask him that why he is on this situation. He is making conclusion. Just have some examples with him.
Yes, I want to tell you the 3 examples. You all heard about it. The first one, the Sansin Rajput sir case. Like it's been 5 years. There's still inquiry going on, but there's no any clue regarding that. And another example, the Kolkata case.
Yeah.
But what we got? Nothing. If you see in the protest, there are few people, they don't even know what's going on, but they still doing protest.
I have asked one of them.
You see?
Yes.
We are doing protest again and again, but result is nothing. We are not learning from our mistake. Or anything happen, we do protest. Anything happen, we do protest. In this way, are we going? Like if you ask me, I'm the youth, you are the youth, we are the youth. If you just ask yourself, are you ready? Is it what you want? No. We all want a better place. Pretty simple, bro. Yeah, let's try.
Out a solution. Right, man?
Yeah, let it be. It's all the part of life.
Yes, we'll handle it out. Good evening,
Good evening. Good evening. So, I think that you all are so depressed. What happened?
Yes, we are facing so many problems in our jobs and daily life. That's why we are depressed.
And you? What happened to you?
Look, in day-to-day life, even after having a lot of skills, we couldn't make it to get a successful job or achieve some good success in our life.
But you have got all the resources that you need, mobile phones, tablets, and all the other things, a good economical support. So why you can't?
Yes, we got the resources, but we also got the higher competition, right? And our parents even not understanding what do we want to pursue, what do we want to job in our life.
Competition? You said these things are competition? At our time, I used to cross a river to go to my school and used to sit on beds on the floor, and we have got so many infrastructures. Then what's the problem?
Yes, you are right. You have faced many physical problems, but we are facing mental problems. We are dealing with many mental issues. You can't even understand what we are dealing with.
I also used to have mental problems, such as economical problems.
Economical problem is not a one mental problem. No, we are facing very kind of problems, discriminating in jobs and all. We are facing different kinds of mental issues.
Okay, you are facing that type of problems.
Yes.
So let's meet your parents tomorrow, and I will find a solution.
Oh, that will be so grateful.
Okay, tomorrow I will meet your parents.
Thank you.
Well, what is your perspective regarding is the youth right now are facing some challenges right now? So what are your opinions on this?
I think the challenges of today will significantly enhance the potential of our youths, and it will prepare them for their betterment. I think they are ready, क्योंकि जिस तरीके से हमारी जो कंट्री है वो डेवलप कर रही है, जिस तरीके से हमारी जीडीपी डेवलप कर रही है, और वो आज के 21st सेंचुरी के चैलेंजेस के लिए बहुत अच्छे से प्रिपेयर हैं. बस अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ की तलाश है. अगर उन्हें अपॉर्चुनिटी दी जाए या फिर मैं कहूँगा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दी जाए, तो मुझे लगता है कि फिर वो इस फील्ड में अपना कमाल दिखा सकते हैं. थैंक यू. एज अ यूथ, यू टेल मी, आर यू रेडी फॉर द चैलेंजेस ऑफ टुमारो?
Exactly, we are ready.
That's why you are studying here, right?
Do you think the youth are today are socially responsible?
Socially, more or less, our youth are more responsible than the elders we have today because we are more educated mostly, and we follow certain norms and certain ethics that they don't have.
आप यहाँ पे मतलब इतने सालों से नौकरी कर रहे हैं, तो आप यहाँ युवाओं में क्या बदलाव देखते हैं, क्या कमियाँ देखते हैं या क्या अच्छाइयाँ हैं, उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा बताओ.
कमियाँ तो ज्यादा नहीं है, थोड़ा बहुत है, बाकी मानते कम है. यहाँ जैसे बताओ कि गाड़ी पार्किंग में लगाओ तो कुछ लोग मानते हैं, कुछ लोग नहीं मानते. 10% लोग ऐसे हैं जो नहीं मानते.
और अच्छाइयाँ जैसे?
हाँ, अच्छाइयाँ बहुत हैं.
I am Naman Kishore. I am here in the law department for doing the survey of the youth of our India. What should you think about the major problems that the youth face nowadays?
First major issue is about unemployment, which every youth nowadays face. There are many less jobs
Jobs are divided into categories, that is public sector and private sector. In public sector, jobs are about only 1%, and youth face many issues regarding all that vacancies which are government jobs. Issues are like such examination issues and many other issues also which youth faces nowadays.
The most basic issues that the students face is the psychological one. The exams are very difficult, they're very competitive, and there's a lot of population. Plus, there's not many like awareness programs or any courses that tell you about the examinations that qualify you to certain universities. Like I study in law, plant is not very well known. Abhi to it's well known, it's very well known, but you think like 5 years ago, it was not that well known. So we will not know how to pursue law. Second thing is government policies. The government has taken a very lax stance on the education policies that happen here.
Hello guys, we are in PW Vidyapeeth, Hazratganj. We are here to take a survey with some students on youth topic. Our topic, how are youth doing nowadays? Hello.
Hello.
We want to ask that what do you think about the future of Indian youth? Where are they going? Are they going in right direction?
I think our society, our youth is going in a right way. And if I talk about myself, I think I am going in a great way, and whatever I want to just do, and I am doing that. And so everyone is doing great, and I think everyone is following their passion in the way they want to.
Okay, so you are thinking that Indian future in right direction, right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. So guys, now we are in an academy. What do you think about Indian youth future? Are they prepared for the future? Okay, please think that we are not prepared for the future. Do you have any idea or solutions for Indian future to be better?
Hello, this is Akash Shukla, and I want to discuss some of the information regarding education of youth in India. The Annual States of Education Report ASER 2023 indicates that 86.8% of individuals aged 14 to 18 are enrolled in education institutions. Due to this, 30.4% of adults 25 to 64 have less than primary education.
Hi, this is Gaurav Pratap Singh, analyzing the survey and report from different peoples and adding data from internet. Following are the major factors that youth faces in their life. We talk about the mental health. India has the highest youth suicide rate globally, with suicide being leading cause mortality among the young people.
Future of the world, go with the flow of youth mindset. India has 35.6 crore youth population. If Indian youth will raise well in sign, India will sign.
Let us use our wings, allow us to choose our direction. We will try our best to proud all of them and hit above the mark and breaking all the sorrowness and failures.
Inviting you all to join and shine, inviting the youths in Team Youth, because the world's hopes and expectations are our responsibility. Team Youth.
Expect the unexpected.
Yeah.